So welcome back to week 3 of November, documenting the journey to building a $1 million per month life insurance agency. And I'm also going to give you guys one good nugget, one thing that I've learned this week that can help you in your agency or sales process to make more money as a life insurance agent. Now, this week, Monday through Saturday, it's currently Saturday, 11/22 of 2025. We have done $224,000 of premium. You can see in the top left here. 217 sales, and we've seen a boost in our average premium. So as we're documenting this journey, it's good to see it kind of jump up to $1,033. So team is selling great premiums, policy amounts are going up, and you can see that we did 217 sales. Now, something interesting that I was reflecting on as I'm documenting this journey is this same time last year, November 17th to 24th. So a year ago, we were at $151,000 of annual premiums. There's a lot of lessons that I've learned through the time, but we had over $100,000 more or so of production in a whole year. So, and I think we're going to continue to multiply that and move faster and just build quickly. I think we're right there on the cusp of a massive breakthrough. But I do want to give a quick shout out to our top agent, Mr. Grant Webb, $13,958 premium, almost $14,000 of production. Leads are flowing. You can see many people 12,000, 11,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 9,000, 9,000, 8,000, 8,000. Some agents are at $33,000, 32,000, 27,000. So just going into it, it's only 3 weeks into the month of November. So our systems are dialed in. The lead flows is locked in. The scripts are locked in. But I want to give you the nugget that can help you in your journey. The biggest thing that I'm learning as an entrepreneur right now, a business owner, is this game is pretty simple. Okay. It's all about, get leads, call people, close people. But what separates our company from the next life insurance company is the culture that you build and the people that you have coming into your company and the standard that you set. So our goal to get to $1 million or $2 million is really heavily focused now on finding the best talent. And I think the strategy that I'm going to continue to focus on and lean on to if I want to recruit or build the team is be the best in the content game and give the most amount of value away for free. Okay, this is something that's crazy. I've just continued to speak to people over and over and over again that are like, hey, I want to join your team after a year. I've been watching you for 6 months. Or, hey, I'm not going to join you. I'm going to try to figure this whole business out without you. And then before you know it, after 8 months and 9 months of going to these MLM companies, not having the right training, not having the right structure, not having the right leads, and turning your tires, there's a time where people are just like, all right, I've watched this guy for long enough. He's posted free content. He's never tried to sell me anything, and I want to join your team. So if you're trying to build a team, okay, and you have the best systems, you have the best products you sell, and an incredible culture, just get your stuff out there. If you want to build a team and you want to grow your revenue, you just need more people that you can duplicate, okay? So there's a breakdown of the duplication comes with attracting, number one, with content. Secondly, is going to be the core training piece. So you're going to have the best training in place. So from start to finish, train them, help them, groom them into a top agent. So it's attract, train, and duplicate, and then have them ultimately be able to do that for themselves. So that's the content strategy to go from where we're at right now is to give it all away for free. Find people that want to come in and play into the culture and ultimately out train everyone, because that's the variable. Most people can do well at life insurance if they have the right character traits, but your ability to train, coach, and elevate someone comes down to your skill set. So always like to leave it within 4 minutes. I love you guys. This is the road. This is the journey. I'm giving it away for free. Love y'all.